Welcome everyone, welcome. So now let's study the R programming third problem and the program. So in the R programming, the question is like this. Write an R program that are include, let me just give space, yeah. Write an R program that are include different operators, think operators, control statements, default value arguments, and returning complex objective. One by one, we will see each one. So first we will pass for A and B values 11 and 4. You can pass anything, okay? And I will just pass a variable and I will just put an operator plus and I will just print sum. I put minus. I just if I will put only the multiplication. I will start. It will become division. For the modulus, I put double modulus and I will just print out. Now the particular operators has completed. Now let's come for the control statements. The control statements are if else, else, switch. Okay, those things are this particular statements. So in this I have used if else if. Okay, if A is greater than B, then print A is greater than B. As if B is greater than A, B is greater than A, print else, print both are equal. Okay, this is the particular thing. Just a minute, let me run this. I forgot to run it. Okay, so you can see the output, it is working fine. Now let me run this particular thing and I will get the error. No, sorry, because I have yeah, it will work, don't worry, because it the way A value will be getting the from top. Yeah, so when I run this, see, I'm getting the A is equal to B because A has 11 and B is 4. Nice. Okay, this is simple thing. Now the most beautiful part of the function is now we learn the default value for the arguments. See, there is a function where if you not pass for this particular function any parameters, it should be having some default value. So we will learn this. Let's come. So I have created a function called as my fun. Okay, my fun. Okay. In that I just pass, this is a variable. Okay. For that variable, I have just passed my means I have put it equal, means you can say equal, you can put less than or minus value function operator, then you can assign that function in that particular variable. So in the function, in the parameter, in the purpose, in the passing like this, we give like this, right? Function name. When you pass this and page function, page function is to combine the both things, right? It is work as same as it is print, but paste function is only used for the combining, you can say concatenation. Okay, so when you put this, now see here I have not passed anything. Okay, let me run this particular thing. You can see I have just called this particular function with empty and I have called this function with r shell. So what will be the output? Okay, let me just a minute. Let me change USA. Okay, let me become because I am from Huntington. Okay, so let me change and let me run. So see, I got the error. See, I got the error because for this function. Okay, let me run it. I mean, let me remove it and let me run it. See, I will got the output as I am from USA. But if I put the empty function, it should also give a default value. This is our particular problem, and so the solution is simple. You will write, just a minute my dear friends, yeah, India means equal to India, right? You just give a function in the parameter, you just write A is equal to, means name is equal to India. When I run this particular thing, let me remove this, just I will running the particular empty function with this function. See the output, I am from India. It does not pass anything. It does not pass USA anything. But default it is I'm Indian. Which is saying that's all. So if I pass something, it will replace with this default value, and it will give you USA without India. Simple, simple as it is. So let's go for the last one. Returning a complex objects. See, returning, you can return anything by using function, but complex. What is the complex? Complex means something making from A to B connection, B to C connection, C to D connection. That is complex. We can write any complex values, but here we have used res, rest something. Okay, function you can give as an complex, complex. Complex is a default particular data type, so it means keyword, don't use it. So I will use complex test. Okay, complex test. Sorry. Okay, complex, complex ABC. Okay, complex ABC. And just a minute, let me copy this thing and I will let me explain. Okay, so see here I have used complex ABC and I have passed the function. Inside this function I do not have pass any particular what parameters, because I want to just return right. Okay, so in this particular statement, in the particular block, the code, I have passed our vector with 1 2 3 4 5 6. Simple as it is, simple. Okay, M I have passed with matrix. Okay, I have 1 is 6 means 1 to 6 value with n column 2 and the n row is 3. If you are very much lazy than me, you just remove this particular code and it is good to go. Okay, nothing to worry, but you have some good effect. You need good hard work and good smart work in the future. Today itself you try to make the code lengthy. When you understand the code, really it becomes nice. You can from the in the future you can use the now in the in the learning stage we don't use those things. Okay, so I was passed a matrix. In the v1 I will find the minimum value, sorry, mean value, mean and median, those things, right? This function you can, instead of this you can also find mex max, anything. This because our question is returning the complex object. Return, remember that one. Okay, you can write like this also, max mean anything. Okay, so now for this I will use max only. Okay, v1 with max, and v I will just pass this particular, which one you need max value, and this particular vector value I'm just passing it stored here. And minimum, for this particular minimum with this m means in matrix which is the lesser element, so it will give the value. This, for this value we will get, I think, yeah, 6, and for this we will get sorry, yeah, for this we will get 1. So we want to return the complex value, right? So again we are making some complexity called as L. With this L I am passing list. Remember list. In the list I am just putting vector vec is equal to v1. I'm passing this max value, and mat, mat means matrix, something short form I put it. M1 I'm passing the minimum value, so I'm just returning L, means returning this L because it has the connection with the minimum and maximum, and minimum and maximum which is coming from matrix and vertices. So it become very complex. Simple as it is a complex. You can write anything, you can put more complexity, but for this case, it is enough for your examination. So let me run it. Does it work? Yes, it 100% work. See, the output, we got 6 and 1. Simple as it is. Yeah. So in this video, this much only. So I will see you at the next time in the next video. The good explanation, because the next video is coming, which you need with good patience and good explanation listening skill, where we will learn some good knowledge about another thing. So be ready. Okay, all the best.